A5E-A computer sewing machine multinational voice selection. Turn on the power switch to put the machine into standby state. Long press the voice key. The screen shows 00. It stands for English. Press the voice key short again to display 01. It stands for Spanish. Display 02. Represents Portuguese. Display 03. Stands for Russian. Display 04. Represents Arabic. Display 05. Represents Vietnamese. Display 06. Represents Persian.
Display 7 stands for Bengali. Display 8 represents Turkish. Display 09 represents Indonesian. Showing 10 represents Polish. Display 11 represents Italian. Display 12 represents Thai language. Showing 13 represents Ukrainian. When you need to save after selecting a language, there are two ways. One is to wait for some seconds to save automatically. The second method is to manually press the batch key to save it and return directly to the standby interface. The above is the choice of voice function.